Hey folks, the Desert Artist here. So I'm here on the internet and I'm checking out this guy's really cool page on how he makes buildings and how he does log framing and stuff like this, and I messaged him and I was like, hey, wow, cool, I'd be willing to come to your place and shoot and produce and post a YouTube video of you doing your stuff. All my stuff gets postmarked as spam, either by Facebook or by him. Now I've posted several messages to this guy telling him that, hey, I don't charge you anything to come and do a YouTube video for you because, well, Google and YouTube pay me to make videos. Well, when I posted that to him, probably, let's see, it's 1:45 right now, and I've been out here since about 8 o'clock, and I posted it to him since I've seen his video, which was nothing more than a bunch of photographs and music with him there was no explanation of what he was doing, no explanation of how he was doing it and how he'd gotten started in his business or anything. Just a bunch of crappy music. Here I am as a producer trying to say, hey, you know what? I can make a video and take up time out of my life to make you a video that will help you in your business. But somehow he has marked me as spam on his website and is not responding to any of my comments, even though I know that I made a comment on one of his videos. Within 2 hours ago, and I've been on the internet for at least 5 hours, within 2 hours he's posted 4 different videos of him and his stuff, which is affordable log cabins and how he sells kits. Crazy how people are afraid to be able to get free advertising, free commentary, free production on their website, thinking that I'm going to steal money from them somehow, some way. Absolutely disgusting what this world has come to. Somebody like me trying to be able to make a buck from Google or YouTube by helping them with their business. Very, very sad. Very sad. I can't tell you how depressed I am that this guy who makes these homes right here, makes the kits, sends you the plans and everything for a decent price, $35 a square foot, won't even give me the time of day because I solicited him on Facebook. Very, very sad.